Hey, hello, everyone. My name is David Joyce, and I am going to build a website. I thought it would be interesting to record everything just like raw as it happens, unedited and in real time, just the process of laying a design out in HTML, CSS. And just I'm partly curious to see how long it takes me when I'm doing it with basically essentially someone looking over my shoulder, watching every move, kind of remove distractions that way. And I'm just curious to see if this is interesting at all. If it's not, then nobody will ever see this. Um, so it's going to be real time. I'm just going to start laying the site out. The design is already done, and I just need to start laying it out. And I was also hesitant to record this because, I could be self-conscious about my process, and it's probably not the best in the world, and I'm always trying to refine it. And I'd, I'd really, I have a lot that I want to do to streamline my process, because it's kind of messy. But that's okay, I guess, because everyone's process is messy, maybe. At least I hope so. I hope I'm not the only one. So anyway, so here it goes. Let's see. So I'm going to open up my design. Let's see. Where's my design? Real documents. Part of my messy process is I can't even find the design. Okay, here it is. So this is a website I'm doing on the side for a company called Grand Rapids Allergy. So here's the front page. All right, so this is the design, and this is what they said, go forth and do it, man. So this is what I shall go forth and do. All right, I probably won't narrate everything. That'll probably slow me down. So I'll just get going here. Okay, so let's see. Let's open up Coda. I'm going to put this on my website server for now. I'm going to use the boilerplate to get started on this. Um, it's they just updated it actually, so I know they got rid of the image replace, which I used to use a bunch, but it's probably fine. I should probably customize, not just copy and paste everything over, but that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. Okay, so here's my index page. All right, let's see. Next step would be see, I don't want to use CSS, I want to use SCSS. So I'm going to copy this. Open up CodeKit. Pretty sure my site is already in here. No, it's not. Okay, so let's add a project. See, Dave Joyce. Alright, so I've copied my main CSS into my SCSS file. So now, and this is set up to generate it. So now when I save, it should compile it into CSS. And yes, it did. So, okay, let's take a look here. Extensive visually and remove text shadow. I should probably look over this, but I don't want to do that right now. Okay. All right, let's get going. So we've got the site. All right, so we need to do mobile first, which I have to figure that out because I designed it for desktop, but I need to lay it out with mobile first. So first thing is I've got the logo. Photoshop likes to freak out on my mouse. Okay. So let's grab the logo file. That's over here. Where is it? Let's see. Okay. All right. So here's the logo. Is that the same green I'm using in the design? Okay, so let's grab this. I don't think it is actually. Take a screenshot, paste it in here. Yeah, that's lighter. Oh yeah, I changed it. Okay. So let's change this to the design that I've got. Okay. And yeah, that's fine. Okay. So let's copy that. Let's do a new canvas. Paste that in here. Now I'm going to go up to the canvas tool and fit to artwork bounds. So now I have a nice file there. Let's go ahead and save this to my working folder. Alright, now let's save this as, or save as, and then change this to an SVG. And put it into the website folder. Address.co, static. Okay, let's throw it into, I'm going to use it in the CSS, so I'm going to add an image folder to the CSS folder called yeah, GRA logo is fine. Okay. SVG, Save that in there. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this, open up a new window, paste it in. Now I have 245 by 91. So I can reference this later when I'm laying it out here. So, okay, mobile first, baby. All right. So we got the logo. I imagine we'll have the logo on the left, and then like a little meat stack over here for the menu, and these supplemental links. Perhaps those are hidden on the mobile site, and then they can use it down here. Except mobile, they'll probably want to know the address and a phone number. Let's see, what's the best way to do this? This is one of the downsides to responsive design. Everyone wants their website to be responsive, but nobody cares to put the time into actually designing that. They kind of expect it just to work, and they don't really care about the decisions that have to be made to do that. It's like even in meetings, you just say, "Oh yeah," and it'll be responsive. And they want to see the desktop site. They don't want. But now, desktop site is signed off on. I have to make it responsive. So I need to make a decision that just works, that they'll be happy with. I think if we had like a little subheader, a subfooter at the top, or yeah, subheader at the top that had some of this in here, and then the logo and a meat stack, so that that's the first thing you see on the. I think that might work, but it couldn't be too tall. Patient portal, I am totally okay with. I'll probably put a link down here anyway for the patient portal, which should have been down here to begin with. So really we just have phone number and address that they need up top. Okay, let's do that. So let's copy all this. So these icons are done using symbol set, which I'll show you when I put it in. So let's start with the subheader. So we'll do a header, and then say div class equals subheader. I've never done this before. I have to decide what the best name is for classes as you go, which is kind of a pain. Okay, so let's copy this. We'll paste that in here. Okay, so for my little map icon, I think that's called location. Okay. So, yeah, location. So let's wrap this into span class equals SS icon, SS location. Because that is how you do a symbol set, which I'll download later. And then we'll do the same for phone. And then settings, except I'll be hiding that. Okay. I'm going to change these to eyes. I like using I for these types of things, and then in my own head, I call them interface tag. Or at least I'll make it an interface tag. Okay, so then let's wrap each of these in a span. Okay, we'll do this one, say class equals address. This one, class equals phone. And this one, class equals portal. Alrighty. Then let's see. Then we'll have the logo and then the main menu. Let's see if I do the logo next. Let's see some. I need to float the logo left, and this all needs to be floated right. So this needs to be included in that. But then on the mobile, this needs to go above everything. So if this goes above everything, what's the best way to do this? So pain. Okay, let's see. Bring those down to tab. Okay. I think if I do, yeah, if I just float those both right, I think this will work. So let's do the main branding. So then we got header, class equals branding, Grand Rapids allergy. And then we'll do navigation. And then we'll do these. Okay, so then we got first one. In Coda, you can hit Command Option period to just close an open tag. So I can paste these in, then just close them real quick. Real easy peasy. And then close the unordered list. Okay. Alrighty. Let's say this is main nav. Okay. Okay, we got our header, our logo, everything's looking good. Branding, subheader, all that. Okay. Now let's move on to the hero image. So we've got this little background stripe that extends across the width of the browser. So we need that in there. Let's see, what's the best way to do that? Okay, let's get into the main page. I don't want to call it an article. Is it an article or section? I'll call it a section. whatevs. Okay. Class equals hero. And then I'll do let's see, we got about a 81, except it's different down here. I'll unify them up. Let's just say an 80 pixel edge overlap. So okay, let's do an element for that background. I'll do an interface element, class equals bg strip. Close that up. Then I'll do the main hero image. And this one's going to be tricky because of the text on the image. How do we break this down responsibly? If you were on a mobile site, what would you expect to see? You'd have your logo, the menu, and this image probably would have the header text on it, but then the 1 in 5 Americans text and the button would be below the image. Okay, so but I need these self-contained here. Gosh, I hate this. I've probably done it a million times and I always have to figure out the right way of breaking something like this down. And it's never easy. Okay, let's do an image. Source equals whatever. So that'll be the hero image. And then on top of that will be the header. You are unique, your LG image should be too. We'll break in there. Your allergy treatment should be 2. And then we'll do 1 in 5 Americans. And then learn how we work. Navigate right is what that one is. I class equals icon navigate right. Let me check and make sure that's what the class is. So I've got this bookmarked. Navigate right is the class SS navigate right. Yep. Okay. So we'll close that up. Close up the button. Okay, and then let's wrap all this in a div. Class equals overlay text. Okay, then let's grab this image. Okay, copy this. $25.33 wide. I'll probably make this an element in Craft, an image in Craft. So the CMS will control this, but I'll go ahead and put this one in. What? Let me do this so I don't have to keep searching for the folder. Dave Joyce, GRA static. Let's put that over here. And same with over here. We'll say, yeah, whatever. Just put that here. Okay, now I can get to these quicker. So let's save this into the images folder. Call it hero. Okay, then let's go ahead and reference that in here. Hero. Okay. Okay, we got all this in here. All right, next up, let's put these back on. Okay, now we got the, actually, maybe we just start with that. Well, nah, let's just finish. Okay, let's lay these out. So we've got the blog. This will be class equals blog teaser. Should be consistent with my class. Okay, so we got an article. We'll do an anchor here. Class equals article. And we got an event in the press and news. In the press news. In the press news. New study shows that more education is blah 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 blah. Okay, so we'll say span class equals type article. Then say new study blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's probably fine. So let's copy. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, span class equals type events. Wyoming Parks and Recreation, blah blah blah. That's an N dash. N dash. Actually, I think that's an M dash. M is longer, I think. Okay. Then we got in the press. got news. Okay, Enterprise has this little arrow to show that it's a external link, so let's put in a little I class equals external. And then this was, what is this? Up, right? Yep, up, right. Yep, SS up, right. Actually, yeah, I want external. SS icon, SS up, right. Yep. Alrighty. Next, we got the footer. So we'll say footer. Then we got the map. And contact / hours. Okay, then we got the navigation. Up here I called it main nav. I guess down here I can call it footer nav. And actually, let's do another nav. Utility links. Utility nav. Then we got how we work. I'm not using an unordered list on this one because I'm probably just going to keep it kind of a horizontal nav even on the footer on the mobile site because I just whereas on the header I was going to break it down into a drop-down menu for mobile, and so that's where I wanted to switch from stacked up like this to side by side. And I guess I could do that without the unordered list, but it just gives me more, I don't know, it's more semantic, I guess, to have it in a UL. And then finally the legal stuff here. Say div class equals legal. Let's change this to ampersand copy. And then, yep, these will be links. Oops. We got our social links here. So on this one, I'm not going to use the SS hyphen Twitter because I've got the actual text Twitter here, which will be replaced by the font. Same as it does in Photoshop. When I type Twitter, it just turns into the Twitter icon. It's pretty cool. Alright. Yeah, so in case you're unfamiliar with symbols, that you can just type Twitter. I guess this doesn't have the social set, so you could type up, down, left, right, cart, world, globe, you know, whatever, and it just turns into a font. And they've got all sorts of icon sets you can use, but I really like just the classic standard. I mean, they're just really readable and functional for most websites that I build. So here's like the meat stack that I'm going to use in the menu. Let's see, what is that actually? I need to throw that in there. Stack, menu. What is that called? Rows. Okay, so got some rows here. Okay, so let's throw that into the navigation. Okay, so for the navigation, I'm going to recycle some HTML. I know I did this on C-Share. So I'm going to view the source on this site that I built. Let's see. Okay. Apparently I did it with two separate navigations for C-Share. Interesting that I did that. I forgot that I did it that way. Now, why did I do it that way? I don't remember. It seems like the way I'm doing it should work. So do I foolishly go forward with my existing plan, or do I learn from my past mistakes and just do what I did before? I'm gonna say do what I did before, so I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, last time I had two menus. This wrapped the logo. Did we just get rid of the logo on the mobile? What's the deal here? Let's find out. No? So where's the logo on here? See share. Maybe I'm hiding this and then floating this left, and then on this one floating this right, so that you get this. Hmm. Responsive design is fun. Okay. Gosh. Main nav. I don't see it. Let's see if I just felt that. Well, whatever. I'm not gonna learn from my past mistakes. I don't want to do it that way. Haha. Let's throw caution to the wind here. Okay, main nav. Add my little meat stack here. So let's say div class equals meat stack, because why not? Okay. Or pancake stack, or actually this one just says menu. I wonder why I didn't use the meat stack there. I don't know, but I'm going to now. Got rows. Oh, I'll say menu. I'll say menu with a meat stack. Oops, rows. Okay, and then this checkbox is actually, yeah, you'll see that when I do that. Okay, show menu, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't finish this, so this actually needs to say, is that social, I think? Okay, looks terrible. Let's actually start laying this out. Got a good base. Oh wait, no, I don't. I didn't finish the footer. Map and contact us. Okay, we're located at the address. So then I class SS icon, SS location. Oops. Let's see. Let's make this a header group. I'll make this an H3. And I'll make this an H2. Although semantically, I guess I should start at level 1, but it just seems odd to do a level 1 header. Okay, fine, whatever. Level 1 header. Let's put a couple no breaking spaces in there. Grand Rapids, Michigan, 49546. And then close the group, and then we'll have a map here, which will embed. This will be embedded Google Map here. And then contact, oi. Okay, shoot, let's see. Another header group. We got the phone icon. And then contact us. Phone, fax. Okay. Span, class equals. Say, call it a label, I guess. Phone. And then we'll make that all caps. And then the phone number. And then throw a few non-breaking spaces in here. And then do span class equals label again. And then the fax number. Okay, that looks good. And then we got office hours. And okay, let's go to, it shouldn't really be a header. Well, contact, yeah. Contact us includes hours, that's fine. Okay, so let's do a header 3. And then office hours. Okay. We gotta split this up. So let's say div class equals hours. Div class equals hour block. Okay. 5 p.m. turn. 6:30 p.m. Oh yeah. Put a break here and a break here. And then we close that block up. Then do another block. We'll do same day care hours. And injection hours. This was italicized, so let's do an M tag. This was italicized too. Do an M tag here. Alrighty, I think we got it. Let's go ahead and grab that map. Okay, their address is. Make sure I'm getting the right one. they are located, yep, 970 Parchment Drive. So let's just do that, 970 Parchment Drive. Just about here. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now we need to embed this map. So, where do you do that? Come on, Google. Where's the embed code? Why is it so difficult? It used to be somewhat intuitive. Okay, how to embed a Google map. Mixture map, state view, blah, blah, blah. Top left corner, click main menu. Where's main menu? Make sure the map or street view image you'd like to embed shows up. In the top left corner, click the main menu. Click share or embed map. At the top of the box that appears, choose the embed map tab. What main menu? I don't see a main menu. Click the main menu. There is no main menu. This is so frustrating. Don't you know I'm trying to film a production video here, Google? I don't think this is very interesting. If you're using maps in light mode, you won't be able to embed a map. What is light mode? There is no main menu. I don't see a lightning bolt. Hey, there it is. Share or embed map. Your directions are out of date, Google. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Medium, I don't know that it makes a difference. I'm hoping I'll be able to dynamically set this similar to the way I do videos. Cross my fingers. Okay. Um. Okay. Copy that. And let's put this in. Okay. Alright, so, alright, I think we are good to go with the good to go. I think we're good to go. And I'm going to remove this IE thing. It'll just break. I'll leave it in. Whatever. Who's on less than IE8? And honestly, come on. I'm not designing the site for IE8. If less than IE9, I'm not. This is going to suck in IE8. They're not paying me enough to design for IE8. Okay. Well, I hope that doesn't come back to bite me. Okay. All right, let's lay this sucker out. So, let's start at the top. How long have we been going here? Is there any way to see? I don't even know. Okay, let's see. What is the next step? So, we've got the logo. Okay. Let's start with the header. Okay, let's give this a class of main, an ID of main. It's the only main header. And then say header main. And then subheader. And then address phone portal. I don't need to do that yet. Subheader. Then we got the branding and the main nav. And this should be an ID, really. It's the only branding they have. Hashtag branding. I know I don't have to put the H1 there, but I just like to know what kind of a tag is being used on my ID'd elements. Nav, main nav. Got ourselves a meat stack. Meat stack and an unordered list. Okay, good enough for now. Now let's say the subheader. Okay, let's see. This is Gotham. Now I need to get typography set up. Let's see. They have not signed up for their typography account. And I actually don't have a typography account. Or do I? Nope. Well, I guess we're gonna have to wait until what on earth? Why is it under Gary's name? Okay. Are there two accounts here? Okay. This is my account for some reason. It's got Gary's info on there, but whatever. All right. Okay. I will. I will get on them to sign up for cloud typography so I can start using the right fonts. But I can't do that today, unfortunately. So, shoot, that sucks. I might need to trim this.